Hey guys, it's Jess from My Magical Planner, and my subscription from Harriet Wright Designs just showed up, and I can't wait to open it. So I figured I would open it with you guys. Her shop is currently closed, so I did get an email saying this is going to be my last subscription. She's canceling all the subscriptions, and then when she reopens, which hopefully will be really soon, she will be offering subscriptions again. Only these subscriptions will be foiled, which is a big change for her. So I can't wait to see what that ends up looking like. Anybody who is subscribed to her subscriptions, she's holding places for those people. So it's not like we're going to be out of subscription. And the plan, at least according to the email, is that she's going to be open for us to re-sign up before the end of probably, we're not supposed to miss a month according to the email. So hopefully that's the case. So she just sends it in it's almost like this is like a piece of cardboard, and then she wraps it with this. All right, sorry about that. My battery died. Always check your battery before you start recording. Anyhow, so this is my kit, and I do get the foil add-on in this kit. So are you ready? I see the word dreams on here, so okay, so she always includes this really beautiful sticker down here with some kind of quote or something that kind of shows her inspiration. This one says dreams. I love the quote in this kit. Such a pretty kit that can be used at any time. I hope you have had a good June and enjoy this month's subscription and custom artwork. Lots of love, Harriet. And she has like the little X. I think this is a British thing because my other British friend tends to put X's at the end for hugs. Super cute. So, let's see. So this is my foil add-on. I'm going to set that to the side. And this is, ooh, what is this? Oh, these are overlays. That's really cool. So here are our little overlays. It is gold. And these are like header overlays. So pretty. And then we have our icons. Super functional. And I think every, oh, maybe it doesn't. Hold on. So I see a couple of rows that are the same. So 1, 2, 3. These three and these three I think are the same. And then you have this one in the middle that's different. Oh, wait, maybe it's just a running of all the different things, because we have till there, and then this one goes, where's the heart? The heart is there. So maybe that's what it is. So you have like 3 sets of everything. Here are your bow headers. I wonder how that would look with these overlays on top of them, if it would be too busy. I'm not really sure. So, okay. Her subscription kits are quite large, which is one of the things I really love about them. You can do several spreads if you want to with these. Oh, this is a really cute quote. It says, turn your dreams into plans. I like that a lot. And then everything seems to be kind of planner oriented. Oh, I love this fashion girl that she used down here. I love the office space, and just, you know that we all do these things. And yeah, when I like how she just flipped this box upside down here essentially, but I really like having the symmetry of that. And these are still really functional boxes that you can write things in, which I also like. Our next set of boxes are all the checklist, which oftentimes she'll use the artwork that is on the front and just kind of put it in a more muted tone so you can write on top of it and it doesn't look too busy. And it looks like she's done a lot of that, but the more busy squares like this one and this one and this one weren't used. So that's kind of nice. And then we have our functional page. Well, functional decorative Prada. That's kind of cool. The future is so bright is kind of the background image there. And then we have another, this is a Monday through Sunday list, and then a bows list with those line dividers in there. We have 3-box checklist. It's a pretty standard kit for her. And then we have today's to-dos. There are 7 of each of these. And then we have a list of 7 like kind of miscellaneous things here. So we have important next week, dinner, goals, exercise, habits to clean. I kind of wish dinner was dinners because that tends to work more for me. And then we have 7 of the fork and spoon icons for your meals. And then we have the 2 asterisks, some habit checkers, some bill-dos. It's a really nice page. Like oftentimes I don't use this page, but with her, I like this page. Here are our days of the week. We have some more checklist. There's usually in the glitter part, like some kind of, it's either dots or hearts or something like that. It looks like they're dots this time. We have some additional single bow headers, some more checklist. So you can choose between the 3 bows or I think these are 5. Yeah. And then we have our days of the week, some layering stuff, kiss cut icons. And then here is our bottom washi. This is really pretty. I also really like the bow washi she used to there. I can't wait to see what this would look like if you could add a little bit of foil to it. I think it'll be really amazing. And this is our alternate skin tone box. So you have a darker complexion girl with dark hair and a blonde with a light complexion there. So nice options. All right. So I'm really liking the planning time already. I will definitely use that a lot. So planning time. Ooh, little computers. Well, so we have a laptop, a cell phone, and then probably a desktop. But those are really cute, and it feels like there's more than usual in here. Oh, I love these. I love the pens. These are so great. And then we have some deco with the flowers to pull in, and more. Are these flags? Yes, they're flags. So those are really pretty as well. So I know she's doing a reformat as well, which is super cool, but I am so excited for her to reopen. I'm totally ready. I'm starting to get to the point where I'm like, okay, you can reopen now. So I've been patiently waiting. She opened for just a little bit and then closed down again. I think because she was just getting rid of some old stock while she reformatted stuff, and yeah. So this is super exciting. There are all those pages, and we have the 3 other ones. So with the base kit currently, you get 6 base pages and then these 3 additional pages. The foil add-on does tend to vary a little bit depending month to month, but this month we have 5 different elements. Sorry. I was like, wait, there's one more. So that's super amazing. Well, as soon as she reopens and I can resubscribe to her mystery kits, know that there will be more of those coming. Until then, I guess I'm going to have to make do with my Simply Gilded subscription. So if you love opening subscriptions and all things planner related, feel free to hit that subscribe button down there so you don't miss a single video. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.